Weather Service in Taunton has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stalwart Bay National Marine Sanctuary. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater in small hail, located 19 nautical miles northeast of Ocean Bluff, Rantrock, moving east at 25 knots. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening 4.